G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo, great to see you all again. So we've done the site establishment, we've pegged out all of our corners, we've taken down a few of the trees. One of the most important things about green building isn't just about the stars that we're putting or the energy ratings that we're putting on the build, it's also about what goes into establishing the site itself. So trees, for example, is one of the big ones. We've got an apple tree, we've got a pomegranate, we've got a fig, there's a lemon tree. We're going to try and keep as many of those trees as we can, replant them, put them into the new garden when it comes about. Another thing is the soil. So you've probably seen my videos on soil testing. If you haven't, check them out. On soil, we want to see if we can use this soil to make mud bricks perhaps for the boundary walls, or maybe we can ram earth it and use it. But I don't think we'll be able to, because the soil here is a class H, high reactive, class 2. So second class high reactive soil, very high reactive. The slab system that we're going to be putting here is going to be what's called a conventional slab. It's not going to sit on the ground, it's actually going to be cut into the ground. We'll do a video on that because we've been asked a lot of questions about that. Another part of doing the green build is to be able to build for longevity. So it's not just so we build for something that's going to last 20 odd years. We want to build it so it lasts for 2 or 3 generations. So we don't waste any of our resources, and all the effort that we put into it is A1 tip top, tippity top. So the next part of this project, we've done our boundary points, we've done our site establishment. So now what we're going to do is do a site cut, and we're going to take all this soil out. The trees, we actually got a special bin for. It was called a green bin. The bin itself cost us about $450. We got a mulcher as well, which cost us $160 a day. And then we mulched all of the trees that we had to cut down and put them into a green only bin, and we separated all of our rubbish. So we've made one load of rubbish just for metal and tin. We've got another one just for green waste. We've got another one for timber, but we'll try and reclaim as much of the timber as we can, because we like to reclaim timber. All of that soil will be tested, and if it's clean fill, which we're sure it is, it's not contaminated, it'll go into a clean fill area. If this was a site that had contaminated soil, then the soil would have to go into an area that was for contaminated soils. As I said before, it's not just the energy ratings that we're going for our green build, it's also the resources that we try and reduce, as well as how we establish the site in the first place. So each step plays a critical part of creating a better place to live for not just us as a community, but the family that's moving in here as well. So stay tuned, thanks for watching, and like always, stay unreal banana peel, and I'll see you in the soup.